Yeah. There we go. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now, as you've seen by the title of this video, we're going to be installing front lights and rear lights. Now, I actually haven't got the front lights yet, neither have I got the rear lights, but that's what we're going to pick up now. He lives right by Didcot, so it's about a 35-40 minute drive from mine, and we're going to be heading over there to go and collect the rear lights. Now, I'm not going to be installing them today, they're going to be at a later date. But yeah, the front lights I'm actually getting off my other friend with a red VXR. See how these have the silver surrounds? I don't know what's happened in the VXR's lifetime, but for some reason they have silver lights, which is the standard Astra lights, and the VXR lights have the black surrounds, so the silver will be gone. So we'll be buying them at some point. I'm not too sure when I can actually get them. Now, what we're collecting today is actually the DNA rear lights for the VXR. Now, I think they look smart, so we're gonna do a before and after very, very soon. But here we have it. The backlights on this car, I actually quite like them anyway. You know how I was speaking about in the point of view drive about how the handbrake doesn't work? So a quick little story. I was at the Morrison's petrol station. I literally had the hose out to go put it in with fuel, and my car's rolling back in the petrol station with loads of people there, and it was just awkward because I've had to jump back in the car, quickly put it into gear. Yeah, very, very awkward. The car literally started rolling back, and I've got it in 4th gear right now, so we don't end up rolling down this hill, because we are on a hill. I originally parked somewhere else, and yeah, we were rolling back. So I need to get the handbrake sorted ASAP, because it started rolling back off my driveway, which I had no idea it was happening. Luckily, I got there in time. DNA rear lights is what we're going to collect today to Didcot. It's about a 40-minute drive from mine. And yeah, that's what we're getting installed. Also, one thing, I need to do this. You see this wire? Why is there a wire there? So, got to do that, but the DNA rear lights is what we're going to pick up today. So I actually need to make a move, because I said that I was going to be there a while ago, and I still haven't left. So I will see you once we're actually on the motorway on the way there. Let's finally make a move and go and pick up these rear lights. Oh, this road is bumpy. Oh, that knocking noise. The most important things for this car, being the recirculation valve and the back suspension, is not the first thing I'm getting done. I'm going to buy some rear lights. There's actually some matey just going spinning around in circles with roller skates on. Oh, we got hot. You want to know another thing why I'm taking a VXR? Simply because we have cruise control in this car. Now, that's the only reason I'm taking this car, because we can just cruise on the way there. My handbrake's up, by the way, just doesn't work. It's a lovely sky up ahead of me, but yeah, we're just chilling down the motorway. Not long to go, and yeah, we should be there soon. Picking up the DNA lights. We just made it off the M4. We're now heading on to the A34. We've got about 15 miles to his house. Fiesta. You alright, mate? Glad to get them back. Huh? Glad to get them back. Yeah. Yeah, well, my mate. The lights have just been purchased. They're in the back. I'll pull over in just a second and I will show you these lights. I've just pulled over nearby, just picked up the lights. There's one of them just here. Got the other one, I just hit it against the door, but I've got the other one here. So yeah, people are not the biggest fans because they're tinted so much. In the daytime, they don't look the best, but until they're lit up, that's when they look at their best. Yeah, I don't know if I'm the biggest fan of it being tinted so much either, but once they're on, they will look good. Finally picked them up. It's about a 40-minute drive home. Here we have the car parked up, and here is the DNA lights. So this is what it looks like before, and obviously we're gonna do an after. You can see how tinted it is. That is what it's gonna look like once they are turned on. It's gonna look amazing. We've got a loud car driving past just down there, but there we have it. The DNA lights are in my hand. I now need to actually go home because it's starting to get quite late. And yeah, this is the VXR in all its glory before we put the new lights on. Going to install them today, but I'm far too impatient, so I'm going to put the VXR on the driveway and then we're going to install the rear lights. We got the S3 here, needs a clean because it's just been sat there for a while, and we got the VXR just here. So the rear lights are in the back, which is what we need to go and get. We're going to start with this left side because I can actually quickly access it. Going inside the car, what we need to take out is that triangle bolt just up there, and there should be another one just down there. So we need to take out two of them, and the backlight should just come straight out. Tell you what, getting to this second bulb, it's located just behind here, is not easy. It took me ages to find, and it's a pain to get to. There we go, that's now out. Now this light, there we go. Should just pop out like that. There we go, plug has now been taken out. The new set here, put the plug straight back in. I can't see a thing. Why do I choose to do this at night? There we go. That's it. That's how simple these are to install. I say it's simple, yet I can't seem to do it. There we go, that's one light fully installed now. We got the right hand side with the OEM lights, and we got on the left hand side the DNA lights. Now, this is probably why not a lot of people like them, because they are tinted so much. Look at the difference in the tint. Right, time to do the right hand side. Right, there goes one bolt. Finally done it. That was done up really, really tight. Right hand side is now all let free. What we got to do is just pull it out. If it ever wants to come out, that is. There we go. That did not sound good, but I haven't broke it. We're all good. Unplugged. There we are. This is the moment I've been waiting for. They're both plugged in. They're not secure, but they are plugged in. So we're now going to turn on the lights, and hopefully they work. Who knows? There we go. There we have it. The DNA rear lights. I'll do a little close up and then you can see it fully, but yeah, they look so much better than the OEM ones. So there we have it. DNA lights are now fully installed. I just need to put the bolts back on, but they're secure in place. DNA lights look amazing. And while we're outside, we may as well start the Audi. That's DNA lights installed. We'll quickly take it to a location so we can see it under better lighting. The Audi's just going to warm up because it needs to be started, and I'll get this insured very, very soon. And then we'll take the Audi for a drive at some point. We'll do another point of view. If anyone wants to see that, leave it down in the comments. While the Audi is warming up, this is mapped to 306 brake. There we have it under the bonnet. Pretty much all we've got is we got a different downpipe, full exhaust system and an air filter, and it's mapped to 306 brake. So point of view drive will be coming on this very soon. The last time I'd done a point of view drive, the PCV valve was actually gone. So there was a massive air leak coming from it, because I'd be at the lights, my revs would drop, go back up, it'd be kind of crazy. So yeah, we got that sorted, and it runs so much quicker now, especially when we got the downpipe on. And yeah, let me just tell you, this thing is an animal. Compared to the VXR, this thing is a beast. So I can't wait to finally get this back on the road. Nothing's even up with it, I just got to insure it and that's it, and then we can take it back out for a drive. And I know it sounds a bit tinny under here, but that's what they're supposed to sound like, these engines, the TFSIs. So there we are. I've also got the engine cover off. I know it's a bit dark, I'll show you in just a second. But if we go behind the car, you can hear it idling away in all its glory. Just driven the car to a different location with better lighting, and we can take a better look at the rear of the car with the DNA lights on. Now look how much better that looks. So I've also got a spoiler extension that goes just up there, and I've got rear diffuser fins. They're actually in the boot. Now what's annoying is I wasn't too sure if I was buying this car, otherwise he would have left them on. But yeah, I've got them in the boot, he took them off, and obviously I've got to reinstall them now. But yeah, that will be in a separate video, so stay tuned for that. But there we have it, the DNA rear lights. Of course, we got the boost gauge, and we still need to do a few other things, but I think the most important thing is the handbrake, because as I was at the fuel station, the car was rolling back as I was filling up, which is rather annoying because I was about to put the hose in and then it started rolling back on me. So good thing it didn't roll back when the hose was actually in the car, because I probably would have snapped it off the side. But there we have it, the VXR. So if you want to see more videos on the VXR, please be sure to leave it down in the comments. I also got the number plate bulbs, the LED, I got them like a few weeks ago. We got the 19-inch alloys, and yeah, that's pretty much it. The car does need a good clean. As you can see, there is a bird poo on top. I apologise, but I need to get it cleaned. And of course, I was supposed to do these VXR front lights at the beginning of the video, but he isn't getting rid of them just yet, so I've got to wait on that. We got a loud car leaving just over there. But there we have it, everyone. There is the VXR. I get the lights sorted, which is rather annoying because I wanted to do both in this video, but we just can't seem to get it done. So I'm now going to end this video here. That was it from me, from the VXR. And yeah, if there's any other little modifications you want us to do to the car, be sure to leave it down in the comments. And I'll get these headlights done ASAP for you, because they're annoying me as much as they're annoying everyone else, because they're standard Astra lights, and I will definitely get that sorted. So yeah, I really hope you have all enjoyed. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to drop a like and also subscribe, and I'll catch you all on my next video. Peace out.